One of the major challenges why so many people fail in affiliate marketing is traffic. How do I get people to know about this product and promote it? Who do I promote the product to? In affiliate marketing, getting the product is very simple. Getting a link is very simple. Where so many persons have challenges is in the traffic. Who is going to buy the product? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel and I'm excited as always today to have you back. How are you doing today? If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video which we release every single day. Go ahead, click on the subscribe button and remember to like and share the video. Let's now go to the topic of today. How to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing website. Like I said earlier, the major challenge most people have when it comes to affiliate marketing is the traffic. And today we want to teach you, want to show you how you can bring traffic to that your affiliate marketing website. Number one is search engine optimization. Millions of people go online to search for things every single day. In fact, if you check how many people have searched for things today, it's already millions. Sometimes it runs into billions before the day ends. Now, if the content of your website is not optimized around relevant keywords in your industry, in your niche, it will be very difficult for people to discover your content online. So you may build a beautiful affiliate marketing website, but nobody knows it's there. Because why? Your content is not optimized. Nobody is seeing the content. And if they don't see the content, they're not going to click on your link that you have embedded in your website. So the first thing is that your website content need to be optimized. So you need to leverage on search engine optimization. Optimize the content on your website around keywords in your industry, right? Every industry have relevant keyword, popular keywords that people go online to search for. For instance, how to lose weight in 24 hours. People search for those kind of things. How to lose weight in 30 days. People search for those kind of things. Let's say you are in the slimming business, health and wellness, and you have this kind of product in your affiliate marketing bouquet, right? You need to optimize the content on your website around these keywords. That way, when people go online to search, they'll be able to discover your content. All right, number two is content marketing. Affiliate marketing cannot work without content. When you create valuable content on your website, the essence is that you want to draw traffic, you want to drive traffic to the website. Inbound traffic, that means people go online to search for something. They discover your content, they come to your website, they read your content, and in between reading your content, they get some advice, they get some value. And from there, they click on a link that will lead them somewhere to buy something that will now lead to you getting a commission. So if you are not creating content, not just any kind of content, but valuable content, it will be very difficult to get traffic to your website. So you got to create quality content, high quality content consistently. Yes, consistently. Just like you see that we're creating video every day. It's deliberate. And it's a lot of work. So you have to think of, how do I create content for that website? That's my affiliate marketing website that talks about health and wellness. What kind of content do you have there? What value are you giving people? Because it's all about giving people value. When they come and consume your value, they fall in love with you. By falling in love with you, it is now very easy for you to convince them, for you to advise them, for you to give them options. And those options are your affiliate product, which if they eventually buy, you're going to get a commission, and that's how you make the money. So content marketing is key to driving traffic to your affiliate marketing website. Number three is social media. Leverage on social media. Everybody I know have one social media or the other. You may not be active on all the social media platforms, but at least one. And that one must be the one that your audience, where your audience are hanging out. So if you have an audience that love Facebook, you need to be on Facebook to be able to reach them. So leveraging on your social media can help drive traffic to your website. For instance, if you are on Facebook, Facebook allows you to add link to your posts, and those links can take people back to your website. Let's say you have published a very beautiful content on your website. You can come to your social media and share, oh, I have this beautiful content on how to lose weight in 30 days. And you put the link of your website on your post on your Facebook. When you share that post, several of your followers are going to go to your website and read that content. By reading the content, some of them will end up following the advice, because after writing the content, you would have given them advice, giving them options of what to do to slim, to lose weight in 30 days. So from clicking to those links, some of them are going to buy something. And this is when they buy something, you're actually going to make money. Do you see how it works? So leveraging on your social media, you can drive traffic to your website, which of course will lead to money. All right, number 4 is paid advertising. Yes, paid advertising. That's one of the investments you're going to make in your business, your affiliate marketing business. Sometimes you're going to run ads, right? You're going to run ads on Google, search ads, display ads. You're going to run ads on YouTube. You see Google ads. You're going to run ads on Instagram or Facebook. All these ads can help drive traffic back to your website. The essence is that you want to let more people know what you have. Because if you have a beautiful product and nobody knows about it, what is the use? At the end of the day, nobody will use that product. It's like a beautiful woman locked up in a room. Who knows she's there? Who's going to marry her? Right? So it's very, very important that you use your paid advertising. You spend some money, right? Social media ads are very cheap. Instagram, Facebook, with as little as some few dollars, you can run some ads, right? You may not do it every other month, but as income comes in, you need to invest in your business. It's one way to invest in your business, by running ads. All right, number 5 is email marketing. Email marketing is powerful as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. Why? When you build an email list, your email list is contact of people whom you have their email address, whom you can reach at any point in time. Now, by having this email address, it's easy for you to get into these people anytime, any day. In fact, I used to say, somebody can wake up in the midnight, send an email, and before 24 hours, the same person have a lot of dollars in his account. How does it happen? It's simply email list. So for instance, let's say you have 10,000 persons in your email list, right? And you have an affiliate product you just signed up to, right? Around a particular niche that this your audience are interested in. And you wake up in the midnight, you send an email to your 10,000 contacts on your list. Let's say you have a 10% conversion. 10% conversion means that out of the 10,000, let's say you have 10% open rate, right? 10% open rate means that 1,000 out of the 10,000 will open the email. And you now have 10% conversion, meaning that 10% of the 1,000 will finally buy something, all right? So you send to 10,000, 1,000 persons open the email, 100 people end up buying something. Let's say the product you are promoting, you make an average of $20 per one, and you sell 100. That's 100 times 20, right? 100, that's $2,000. So you send an email in the midnight, before 24 hours, you have $2,000 in your account. You have not done anything, you just sent an email. So that is how powerful having email marketing, as one of the ways, is a powerful way to actually, bring traffic. Because what happens is that when you send the email, people will, you would have embedded a link on the email. So they click on the link and lands on your website to read that content where you have talked about, how to slim down in 10 days. And after reading, you have recommended product 1, 2, 3. And all those product 1, 2, 3, they are all affiliate products. So whether they buy A or buy B or buy C, you are still going to make money. So they 100 people end up converting. That is how you make the money. So traffic comes, money enters your pocket. So email marketing In fact, you can't do without it as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. If you're not building email lists, you have not started. All right, it's very, very, very important. The beauty is that the email lists, you can take them, to anywhere. They are your property. They are like the one of the major assets you have in the business. And wherever you go, you take them. The only thing you need to do is to ensure that you are serving these people, you are giving them value so that they will not unsubscribe, because you cannot hold them from unsubscribing. If you are no longer serving them, they can leave your email list. Yes, just like some people can block people on WhatsApp if you are no longer serving them. So you need to keep serving them. And how do you serve them? Give them value. Don't focus on selling to them, focus on giving them value, and by giving them value, you don't collect their money. All right, that's number 5. Number 6 is influencer marketing can bring traffic. If you leverage on influencers, I know somebody will say, where do I have money to pay influencers? But not all the time do you have to pay so much money to influencers. It may be people you know that are influencers. You can partner with them for them to help you promote what you have, because the beauty about influencers is that they already have the audience. So all you need to do is to leverage on their audience to bring traffic to your affiliate marketing website. Finally, number 7 is guest posting. What do I mean by that? You can partner with other websites that have traffic to write for them. For instance, I can decide to write for a website, a news website, or a blog, that is into digital marketing. I can write maybe about affiliate marketing, right? And inside the affiliate marketing, I've done the content in such a way that I've embedded some affiliate products when I'm giving them examples of affiliate marketing and all that. Then, after writing for them, they publish it on their own website. Of course, I would have agreed with them that I will link back to my own website, right? So, in that article, when people read it, they have a link that can bring them back to my website. That way, I am getting traffic from their website because they have a lot of traffic. So, I now leverage on their traffic to bring traffic to my own website. And of course, if traffic comes to my website, what happens? Of course, money will be made. So, guys, these are the 7 ways to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing website. I hope you got value from the video as usual. If you have, remember, please like the video, share the video, and if you are yet to subscribe, you are missing a lot. I will see you again tomorrow in the next video.